Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to track changes in Microsoft Word. Let's say your own changes or what another user is doing. Because you can add users to work on one document in Microsoft Word, okay? So this is how you do it. How do you track these changes? You just come here and click on review and you can see this option, track changes. Just click on this, track changes. And now it started tracking all the changes that's going to be made to this Word document. Let's say I add columns to this text, right? Okay, let me open up the review pane actually. And now if I add columns to this text, here we go. It's going to track this change. It's going to see what happened. Okay, you're going to be able to track what is happening on this Word document. Let's say I make this text bold. It's going to track that as well. It's literally that simple, guys. If the video helped you, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.